What's up, YouTube friends? Now today I decided that I'd take you along for a quick video and show you how I'm going to thin out my tomato plants. I planted these about 3 weeks ago, and as you can see, they're going crazy already. And all I did to plant these was very simple. For each seed cell I made 2 little holes, and I put 2 seeds per hole for a total of 4 tomato seeds per little cell. Now I do have a couple of videos showing exactly how I do this, so I'll link it in the iCard and at the end of this video. And thinning these out couldn't be any easier. The only thing you're going to need is a pair of scissors. This year I'll be planting 14 different types of heirloom tomatoes, and I got some in every color. And the varieties I'm growing I'll put somewhere right here. I also started my pepper plants at the same time 3 weeks ago, and some of them have come up, but you can see some of them still are a little sluggish, and that's just fine. Pepper plants always take a little longer to get started, so I'm just going to leave my peppers alone until a few more come up, and then I'll thin them out. So I'm just going to grab one seed cell right now, and I'll bring in a little bit closer to see. So this couldn't be any easier, so all I'm going to do is go to each seed cell and try to find the strongest plant. I think I'll choose this one right here. So just go to the next one and snip it off. Now some of these are already starting to get kind of leggy. This one looks a little bigger than this one, but I'm going to go ahead and cut it off also. Now some of you might find that this is a little hard, kind of like Sophie's Choice. But don't worry, because these little seedlings will go to my compost, and now these have enough room to grow until I transfer them into cups. So next I just grab my Brandywine and my Golden Jubilee, and I'm just going to do the same thing. Now here's a pretty good example of one that you just want to pull out right away. Its little leaves are still stuck up in the seed shell, and it's just not going to grow. It's just going to shrivel and die. If a little bit of the leaves were showing, it does have a chance. Sometimes I just pull it off and I'll pull half the leaf off with it, but that's okay, because that's just the seed leaf. Now my plan for my garden this year is I'm only going to need 2 plants of each variety. So I'll have about 14 extra plants left over of just tomatoes, and I'll put some in pots, but the rest is just going to go to the neighbors. I'm just going to finish up the rest of my tomatoes, and I'll show you what they look like when I'm done. So here's how they look after their haircut, and here's all the little corpses of my seedlings. So I know this was a very quick video. I just wanted to give you an update on how my plants were doing. Now I know these garden videos aren't for everyone, but some of you do like to see what I'll be growing. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit the big red subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. If you have a question about this video, or just like to leave a suggestion for a future upcoming video, leave me a comment. Friend me over on Facebook if you'd like to share crafting ideas and pictures. Check out my links down below if you'd like to support this channel. And as always, thanks for watching, happy growing, and I'll see you next time.